Hi everybody, my name is Ariba and today we will create this stunning panorama glide animation in Canva. Let's get started. Start by adding all the pictures you want on a blank page. I have already added mine. Make sure the images are of the same dimension so it gives a smooth flow. Now select all the images and go to position. Click middle and then center to align them together. Further reduce the size of the images as we need to arrange them in a single row. Select one image and press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard and drag the image to the left. This way, the image will slide in a straight line. Now arrange all the images in the sequence you want them to appear and keep a gap between these images. Select all the images and go to position. Here click on tidy up to make sure all the images are perfectly aligned and have the same gap between them. While selecting all the images, click on the group button or you can press Ctrl G to group all these together. Drag the corners of the grouped images to increase its size and place the second image in the center of the page. Change the background color as per your liking. Now go to the Elements tab and choose a circle shape. Change its color to the same as the background. Now drag it from the sides to make it like an oblong shape and place it on the top side of the page in such a way that it covers the corners of the images on either side of the page. Click on the plus sign or press Ctrl D to duplicate the shape and place it on the bottom of the page. Adjust the placements and once you are happy with it, add a text box by pressing the T key on your keyboard and here insert your text. I'm changing the font to this one here, it's called Majesty. Let's change the color of the text to black, which is same as the background, and then go to effects and select outline. Here I'm going to change outline color to white and adjust its thickness. Place it on top of the image in the center. Now again go to the effects and scroll down to select the curve option and use this bar to curve as per your liking. And once you're happy with the settings, select the page and click on the three dots and select duplicate page, or simply you can press Ctrl D to duplicate the page. On the second page, select the image and press and hold the Shift key and drag the image to the left so that the image which was on the right side is now in the center of the page. Update your text and adjust its size and curve effect if needed. Now simply keep duplicating the page and slide the image to the center and update your text on all pages. Once you are done with this step, it's time to add a transition. Hover between two pages in the panel and here you can see a Add Transition button. Click on it and choose Match and Move from the options. Make sure to select Apply on All Pages button. Now click on the Duration button on the bottom and select your page, and here you can see the clock icon. We will use this to adjust our page duration. I am setting it to 1.2 seconds. Make sure to toggle on Apply to All Pages button. And with that, your animation is ready. Do try this animation and share your creations in our Facebook group. Link is in the description box. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to check out my video on how to create a stunning split text animation in Canva. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.